malakas pa na wave. Panghuli. Wala ko yung last kanina. Ito pala yung last. Magna 8:30. Last for the night. Ano? Oh, malakas din yung alas. Hey, okay. Follow the leader. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Urban Wave. Dito sa Ilocos Norte. Nearby barangay lang. First time na natin nakapasok dito. With the family from Baguio. Ayan po. Yung mga senior citizen. Ayan. Si Papa Jones. Ayan. So this is like a treat sa ating mga graduates and vacation din ng mga bata and bonding. Yan. Sumurot kayo lang Papa there, follow there. These are the kids. This is the nag-graduate ni Asbiel and Keniel. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to our vlog. This is my son Lionel. Okay. So we are going to our cottage. Ayan. So ngayon talaga lang tayo nakapasok dito. And yan, ganda po dito sa loob. Ayan. Ayan, Urban Wave Resort. Ayan. Yan po. Oh. So, siguro may tinawag na Urban Wave. Kita natin. Ayan. Oh. Ito yung cottage po natin. Ayan. So dito na tayo. Number 11 to 15. Ayan. And guys, yan si AJ, and of course my wifey Catherine, and Kuya Jerian graduated grade 12, and this is Abel Wallace, finisher of 100 kilometer kanina nag-ICT. So this is just recovery and relax. Okay. So this is my sister Lisa Lorena, also a 100 kilometer finisher. So relax. Okay. Hi, are you enjoying? Yeah, let's wait for the waves later. They were going to on the waves. Ginagawa pa dito every 1.5 hour. Ay mamaya makikita natin yung waves. Yan po yung mga senior citizen natin, si Auntie, Tita, si Papa, si Mama J. Dapat ito daw ay talagang mainit na yan para sa warm bathing. Yan. Here the wave is coming. Waves are coming. Ito po talaga yung pinaka-highlight ng Urban Wave. Sabi nila 15 minutes tatagal. Let's see. Yan, para na tayo sa dagat. Swimming pool waves. See in the swimming pool. Oh, there. Okay, So, meron din dito sa kabila. Yan. Wow. There. Nice. There also. Oh, dito maganda rin, oh. There, si Kuya nag-enjoy. Oh. There. Alright. Ayang, di tayo makaligo ngayon. Bawal mo na mabasa yung operation natin. Ayan. Ano? Yan, oh. Talaga, oh. Wow. Yan, kasama si wifey, hindi pa naliligo, oh. Mamaya. Wow, doon malakas din doon, oh. Nice. Oh, there's AJ. AJ! Jay kayo, Jay kayo. Oh, para sa nasa dagat lang, oh. Good. Wow! Ayan. Para for our eyes only lang muna ngayon. There. Right. Kasama maligo. Ano, magagang marinig mo yung waves. Right there. Oh, Kim Ray, good there. Right. Oh, Yanis. Don't go there. Just dyan lang, Yanis. Just yeah. Ay, mababaw naman, oh. Mga hasin. Oh, picture. Have a picture. You stand up there. Have a picture. Group picture there. Okay, ready? Jeriel, one. Picture. Wait, wait. Stand up there, stand up. Stand up. One. One, two, three. Another one, two, three. All right. Oh, some more there, some more there. Wow. Oh, you stand up. Oh. Wow. Ayan, lakas din ng waves. Tayo. So, dalawang pool. Dito yung may hello. Say hello. Hi. Nandun sa kabila. Kim Ray. JL. One more. One. One, two, three. Alright. Ayan. At least ngayon nakasama si Kim Ray. Alright. Ayan. Ay. Ay, yung mga senior natin dyan. Picture, picture. This, naka-live po tayo, picture. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Naka-live pala yan. Okay, ito video lamang. First time here in Ilocos Norte Urban Wave. Kapit bahay lang namin to, pero ngayon lang kami nakapunta.
The family.
The family. Talagang hinintay yung araw na ito.
And kailan kami nakapunta rito, hindi naman pwedeng maligo.
Ako hindi pa makaligo. After 1 month pa. Alright.
Kaya hanggang kailan siya. Ay, be careful na
Alright.
ha?
Right. Yun, may ilaw. May ilaw. There's the light. In the wall. Yay, just enjoy.
Hello, Antita.
Yanis, Yanis.
Urban Wave.
At oh, be careful. Oh, almost done, almost done. Tatapos na. Oh, no more. No more. No more na. Yan. Wala na. No more. Ano na? Wala na.
I don't know.
Oh.
Kuya.
Nandun sila. Awanan. Awanan. Mga po ang pagbabalik ng wave. The second wave. Yan. Gabi na po eh. Baka ito na yung last wave ngayong gabi na ito. Ngayong araw. Alright. O, nag-enjoy yung si Mrs. Kasama. Yan, ng mga bata. Alright. Yan po. Hooray! Mas malakas yung, mas malalim dito na part. Tayo doon. Say hi! Alright! Wow! Ganda oh! There! 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 Picture! 1, 2, 3! Mara! Ano? Mas malakas yung wave dito. Ano there? Kumusta? Ayos ka lang? Nag-enjoy ka yata dyan ha? Sana all talaga, sana all. Sana all talaga. Hanggang pan lang tayo. Yes. Yan. Right. Wow. Kuya Jeriel, si Lisa. Right. Group picture, group picture. At there's Kuya Jordan. Alright. Oh, ano, dear? Grabe oh. Saya-saya talaga oh.
Ang saya-saya.
Oh, picture ka dear, solo. Oh, dear. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Oh, picture dyan, picture. Oh, ready. Oh, yan yung ilaw. 1, 2. Alright. Okay, the cousins. There. Ayos ah. Enjoy lang dear, enjoy ka lang.
Yes, dear. Ayun lang to.
Wow. Big sa tawib nan eh. Baka kuan ka dyan dear, baka maitulak ka rin.
Baka malis na.
Oh. Oh, doon naman. Right. Parang dagat lang. Tayo din. Oh, there's the cousins. Have a picture. 1, 2, 3. Wave. You say waves. You say wave. Say. Ah, you're holding the rope there, ah? Holding the rope. Almost done. Ayos yan, ah. Doon sa kabila, may rope din pala doon, kabila. Oo. Yan, ah. May rope din dyan. Are you okay? Are you alright? Ah, doon. Sige. Ayan, nasig na. Tapos na. What's that?
He just farted.
Oh, someone farted. That's why it bubbles. There's bubbles. That's why pala there's bubbles. Ah, there's bubbles a while ago. A lot of bubbles. Di, dun sa Papa Joe. Oh, lakas oh. Lakas oh, napik. Lakas oh. Oh! Enjoying the last minute. Oh, galing. Oh! Maglagto pa eh. Mambasa pa ya. Labay-bay talaga oh. Ang dagat. Oh! So, nagbalbali pa yung kulay na ya. Blue, pink, green. Ayan, blue. Blue. Tapos mamaya magiging, ayan, after blue, magiging pink siya. After ng pink, magiging green. Blue-green. Para siyang blue-green. Ayan, green. And then balik sa blue. Tatlong kulay. Wow, galing. Galing na nakaisip nito.